Good morning and welcome to term 2 of remote learning of Year 10 Science. So you've come to the forum and you're watching this little intro just to make sure you know what to do today. So we need to mark attendance. Some of you still need to do your work habit. Watch a quick video that's on this page and then go over to complete lesson 1 task. So let's go have a look at that. So we have, remember, because we didn't have school on Monday and Tuesday, you didn't get to fill in those. So we're straight to lesson 3 for this week. So it's a matter of just clicking on and modifying your and marking your attendance. As I say, some of you still, oops, there you go, mark your attendance. Even I have to do it. So return, and then we go down to here, some work habits. So, oh, you all have done it. I'll make sure, I'll check to make sure you all have done it, but it looks like you have, which is fantastic. So you can skip that one. And finally, I want you to click on this and watch the Amoeba Sisters. And you might want to watch it a second time after you have done the lesson, because I think it's a good show. So, as I say, it's here that we follow our lesson. So I'll nominate what the lesson we are. So don't confuse that with the lesson for the week as opposed to lesson for the topic. So we're doing lesson 1 out of about 12 lessons. So clicking on that, we have the instructions. So you should have already done that. You now need to get your booklet and read pages. Oh, I'm sure it's 2 to 5. I keep on seeing page 3 to 6, but I believe it's page 2 to 5. There's your booklet. If you haven't got, but I know I gave everyone the hard copy. Then on page 6, though, I think it's page 5, do the questions 1 to 8. Maybe do that on your summary book or loose leaf paper and scan it, and I'll instruct you as to maybe just pop it into your Google Drive for me to have a quick check that you've done the work. I think that's all. Anyone has any questions, either use the forum or email me if you